PanelVu is space age's graphic annunciation and smoke control, post-fire smoke panels, graphic maps, frames. It's all the signage. Because with graphic annunciation, you're enunciating a point in the building that may have gone into alarm. Whereas with smoke control, you're actually taking control over devices in the building during a fire event, which you're dealing with people's lives. So if you've got people in a building, and you're taking control of devices in that building to then create safe spaces, pressurized stairwells, and so on, that needs to be held to a much higher standard, all in its own because of the function of the system itself.
The first thing to do is when a customer calls, if they're not quite familiar with the process that Space Age offers, we start what will be called the quote process. So what we'll do is we'll have a quick 10 to 15 minute conversation of what they're looking for, what style of graphic annunciator they need. From there, if it gets a little more technical and complex, we can always have a conference call with our engineering team or our CAD team or even the production team if necessary.
After it gets approved, I'm scheduling the whole rest of the team to design and build the annunciator. Someone then does the wiring layout for it. Once the plate gets punched, it gets printed, and then put the entire thing together, wire it up, and get it out the door.
We excel at doing custom products. There's a lot of codes that have to be met and followed in the life safety industry. So right away, we're going to have to get one of our specialists from our net team to help you out and assist you on the process.
From a relationship aspect, we partner with our customers. We know their companies just as much as they know our company. So we know the types of projects that they're getting into. We know the cities that they're working in. So if there's any particular requirements within any particular city, we're just as in tune with what needs to be done as they are. Or if they aren't, we can then fill in the blanks and be a resource to them and let them know why something needs to be done a particular way, because we have the ability to understand that particular city and their requirements and what they like to see, and then help the submittal process move along a lot quicker too for everybody involved.
Everybody that touches an annunciator goes through our IPC course. They all take 2 courses, IPC 610 and IPC 620.
We're all NICET certified. We're all level 1 certified, and that's something that we'll continue to work on over the years. Our next step is going to be a level 2 certified to better help the customer and understand more of the wiring complexities of today's standards like that. We have all IPC trained certificates up here, so we understand the code of the wiring and stuff, helping out when we get to the more custom jobs like that. One of the other big things too is having people here that are on the actual boards, NFPA, AFAA, so we can adapt up here a lot quicker than we did in the past as far as code changes and stuff like that. We can adapt on the fly.
You know, some of the ways that we do things differently would be the reverse graphics on the inside of the door. And that's a huge advantage to programming techs in the field. Now, when they're programming the LEDs, they have actual numbered points on the back of the door, so they don't actually have to go and reference the LED on the front of the door.
There's all those flags, and the LED colors are printed on the back, as well as our QC tag that gives you the SAE number. So anytime in the future, we can get back to all the drawings and information we use to build that panel. Our phone number's right there. And any number you need to give whoever picks up the phone is right there.
We as a company are able to take our other brands and integrate them into our panels as well, like surge protection. All of our panels that go out, both annunciators and smoke control panels, are all protected by one of our surge protectors that we put into it. That satisfies the AHJ on the project, the building owners on the project, therefore making the integrator the kind of solution provider that they're going to want to go back to, knowing that they did it the right way.
We actually want to help you out. We all love the industry. We have fun doing it. Our annunciators and everything, our smoke control, meet the code, and we're always adapting and updating. We're not just sitting there putting a label on it. What we do is we back it 100%. No matter what the customer needs, we can hit it from all angles and get it done.